Hello guys, welcome to AK Tech channel. In this video I will show you how to install a GTA 5 in a FiveM. So first you have to see we will download a FiveM. So search here, you can FiveM to download. So first you will search FiveM and enter it. So here you can see first link, the FiveM, the GTA 5 multiplayer. So you can click here and you can see here download. So we will click on OK, sure. So our download will automatically start. So I will start the download. So our file is now downloaded. I will open it. So here you can see our installation is start. So it will take about 50 to 20 minutes to install. So wait it. So I will back if it's completed.
And now we're back. As you see, the FiveM client is updating. I'll be back when it finishes updating. And we're back. The updating is finished. We can minimize the browser. As you can see, after the update finishes up, it will open up this window. It says in the top left, go to your game directory and select GTA5.exe to be able to launch FiveM. Now you find the location of where you have installed GTA 5. For me, it's in local disk E, and I find the Epic Games folder. Then in the Epic Games folder, I find the GTA 5 folder, and I find the GTA 5 exe, which is this one, and I select it. Now it's verifying all the game content. I'll be back after it finishes. And now, as you can see, it just finished verifying game content and this popped up. So what you want to do here is just press yes and wait for everything to be finished up. I'll be back once again when this finishes up. And as you see guys, we are done with the updating and it's currently starting FiveM and we are signing in with Epic, with Steam, with everything. I'll let it finish this process, and as you can see, it opened up Epic Games right now for me. Okay, here we should log in with our Rockstar social club. As soon as I logged in my social club, we have loaded everything up. So let's see if everything is working as it should. And now let me start up FiveM. It's currently starting FiveM, it's analyzing game data. And now we are currently in FiveM. As you can see, there's a lot of different stuff right here, but you can link your accounts, you can host, you can start a server, you can do anything you want. That is it. Thank you for watching.